I think with the green lens, I was very interested in how do you make a living artwork? How do you make an artwork which it almost takes roots within where it is? It starts growing and living.
Belonging to the present, to the future, and to the past. An artwork can be also a new way of being together, a new way of being a community.
The island is called Certosa. It was a big monastery from the 12th to the 18th century, then a military base. The island has been completely abandoned after the Second World War.
It's the subtotal of all the elements around it. Essentially, it's reflections, images of ocean, of sky, of sun. It's botanic and ecological. It's growing and changing.